How to cancel orders before shipping on H&M. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your orders before shipping on H&M. So for that, just simply open your H&M's official website and just log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your H&M account successfully, just simply click on the My Account section from the top right corner of the screen. And over here, just simply go to My Accounts, and over here you can see that your account setting has been opened up. At the left hand side menu, you will be able to see the option called Orders. This is the first one. Just simply tap on it, and now it says that since I haven't bought anything from H&M in few days, so it doesn't show any order in my order history. But if you have purchased orders, or if you have made orders in the H&M's website or in the app, you will be able to see the order history over here. So in order to cancel your order before shipping, you need to check whether your order has been shipped or not, because once your order has been shipped, you won't be able to cancel it. Only when your order has not been shipped, you will be able to see the option called cancel. You just simply have to tap on it and your order will be cancelled while confirming your action, while clicking on confirm, and your order will be cancelled then and there. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to cancel your order before shipping on H&M. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.